Dev error 0xD8E46539 is a common crash in Call of Duty Black Ops 6, Modern Warfare 3, and Warzone. It's primarily caused by memory allocation issues and rendering pipeline failures within the IW engine. This error often surfaces during matchmaking, loading screens, or mid-game. To address it, first verify your game files through battle.net or Steam. Disable any overlays like NVIDIA GeForce Experience, as they can interfere. Ensure your Windows operating system is updated to the latest version. These steps can resolve many instances of the error. If basic fixes don't resolve dev error 0xD8E46539, ensure your GPU drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers are a frequent cause of this error. For PC users, the error is often linked to DirectX 12. Verify your system's DirectX compatibility to ensure smooth gameplay. If you're overclocking your GPU or CPU, revert to default settings. Overclocking can cause instability, leading to crashes. Trends show this error increases with higher graphical fidelity and crossplay features. Activision is developing a more stable engine for future titles like BO7. Stay proactive with updates and maintenance to prevent dev error 0xD8E46539.